Hello everyone. In statistics, arithmetic mean, average, all are same only. X bar mean x bar is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. దీన్నే మనం x bar is mean is equal to sigma. This symbol is sigma xi by n. Sigma means xi means sum of observation, n is number of observation. In simple method, 9th class simple method, x bar is equal to sigma symbol sigma fi xi frequency. It is for grouped data. Okay, now i is equal to from 1 to n value you can take sigma from 1 to n value you can take by sigma fi. Frequency also I to I is equal to 1 to n frequency, number of frequency, sigma fi xi by sigma fi. In deviation method, sigma is equal to, we have to assume one as a mean, so a plus sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Here we are assuming data. For example, in normal method, once look at here, the given data is given, weight is given, parcel is given, 9th class problem. Okay, in first arrange likewise, weight is xi mid value, number of parcel is a frequency. No, fi xi first we have to find as per the formula. First formula, what is the formula? X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now look at, if we, so product of xi fi 50 into 25 1250. Now 65 into 34 it is 2210. Now 75 into 38 that is 2850. 90 plus 90 into 40 that is 3600. 110 into 47 5170. 120 into 16 you are getting 1920. Okay, do addition here, do in the smart way. Okay, now this 35 you can write 35 plus 3. Now look at this 35 plus this 16, it is a 50. From here take this 3 here, add, it will again 50 50 100 100 plus 40 140 plus 25 165 plus this 35. Here how much you are getting? 200. So sigma is 200. In the same way you have to add this one, you are getting 17,000. Okay.